ساتھ آپ کا ہوسٹ اسد احمد خان آفیشیل چینل سے دوبارہ حاضر ہو چکا ہے. اچھا جی, آج ہم موجود ہیں ڈیفینس میں اور محمد خان نیازی صاحب کے گھر موجود ہیں, اور آج کچھ ہمارے کولیگس بھی بیٹھے ہیں. محمد خان نیازی موجود ہے اور الحمدللہ ہمارے سینئر سر ملک ضمیر صاحب موجود ہے, اور یہاں پر 10 سے 15 منٹ کا ہم سیشن کریں گے, اور کچھ انگلش میں ہم ڈیبیٹ کریں گے, کچھ انگلش میں ہم باتیں کریں گے, اور کچھ یونیورسٹیز کی گرلز اینڈ بوائز موجود ہیں, اور ماشاءاللہ محمد خان نیازی موجود ہے اور سر ملک ضمیر صاحب موجود ہیں. ان سے تھوڑی سی گوسپ کریں گے.
لور ہے اسٹڈی کے, تو اسٹڈی سیشن ہم چھوڑ سکتے ہیں,
کھٹے میٹھے سوالات ہوں گے, اسٹڈی لور ہے انگلش میں. چلیے فرسٹ آف آل ہم اسٹارٹ کریں گے,
آغاز کرتے ہیں غنی سے.
غنی صاحب سے اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں, اور
غنی
ایک
کے
سوال
سے اور محمد نیل صاحب بھی کے سے. جی غنی, ٹاپک غربت کو آپ لے لیں, کراچی میں غربت اور اس پر بسم اللہ پڑھیں. ٹوٹل انگلش ہاں جہاں تو بولی جائے گی, نمبر کاٹ لیے جائیں گے.
ایسے ہی
4 بندے ہمارے مقابلے میں شامل ہیں, محمد خان نیازی صاحب, غنی, بینش اور مہر بھائی. جی یور لیڈر.
اچھا یو لیڈر غنی, پہلے آپ اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں.
یور 7 سٹار اینڈ 6 سٹار. Can you speak loudly? Recording.
Speak loudly.
My name is Mohammad Khan Niazi. Poverty, we like poor person. If I'm in power, if government give the jobs, inshallah I focus for the poor person. Because why, if you find people, poor person, if you reach in homes, if you meet his family, if you go in your home, you see his parents, mother, sister, brother. If they are financially well, live it. If you feel it, his father died, his mother died, 2 sisters, 1 brother, I must be support this person. Because I have a vision. My vision, I will searching his home, his financially position. If he financially well, I never supporting. If he financially weak, I must be support. If you not support, Allah is watching you. You must be support. You know, when party give me 10 jobs. Party give me 10 jobs. When party give me 10 jobs, and I visit in the Lehari area. I went there, I met one family. When I entered one family, I saw our family, they are financially well. I am asking one lady, I said, your son is died? He said, yes, he is a shaheed. Muhtarma Benazir Bhutto Kafir. But I am saying, I am giving not. But I never give the job because she was family financially well. When I went Navaland, Cheese Chowk area,
Yes.
our is the 3 person I met, Shaheed family, no mother, no father. I am saying, I give you a job for you.
MashaAllah. Great.
Because I visit, I saw, where is your father? He said, my father is died. Your mother is died. I have 2 sisters, we have 2 brothers. I work in the KMC. I said, no, you work in the, take it this job, you work in the bank, National Bank. I give the job, I search, I found, I visit.
Which method you have put in place? Do you have any NGO work for elections?
One more thing. I have 2 party give me more jobs. I visit in the, you see in the Jobli area. I visit there, I saw one family. His father is died, mother, 1 son, 2 sisters. I visit, I am asking, your job? He said, I am daily wages. I work in the Gul Plaza. He cleaning the cars, jeeps. I said, come on, take it this car, take it my letter, appointment, go join the MCB bank. He joining the MCB bank.
So due to gaping inflation, if you are hiring a job for some people, right? Sir, gaping inflation increasing day by day. So how can they survive in the accurate amount? Whenever you'll give the whenever you
I understand. I understand.
I want to ask,
I
you said due to
understand.
gaping inflation, so you
You discuss about the
No, no,
inflation.
Confused in camera.
Yes.
Yeah, basically
He's
I'm
very
feeling
talented.
agitation during the, yeah. Nee, I'm asking due to gaping inflation, your
अच्छा आप बीच में स्पीक अगर आप
I understand. I understand. I understand.
Yes.
I understand. I reply.
yeah.
You discuss for the inflection.
Nee, not inflation, gaping inflation. Gaping inflation, sir.
Okay.
If you hire a job to someone else, yes, so there is a minimum amount there, na? So how can they survive in the little bit amount?
I discussed
Yeah, fine.
6 months ago. Chief Minister Singh Murad Ali Shah. I asked because federal government asked we never give the bonus for the employees. We never give the bonus and increase for the salaries. But I asked Chief Minister Singh, you must be support poor person who is employees. You must be give the bonus. You increase the salaries 20%, 25%. Because employee person they never manage his family's budget, monthly budget. But I am asking the same Chief Minister Singh.
So when you achieve the target, that after that they'll give you the incentive, na?
Yes.
So
But I am putting focus on the poor person. I am giving the advice Chief Minister Singh. I discussed Education Minister is the Said Ghani.
sir, if poor person or a normal person doing the job and they have also a target, na? So why you are saying like this when I ask to someone else and all? So if they are fulfill their targets, after they will get the incentives.
Listen, I am not a power. I am
If they
asking.
don't need to
If
talk
I-
about
if-
power, sir.
listen.
I'm talking about if anyone, if poor or simple person, normal person I'm talking about, right? If they are doing the job now, target purpose for the person, poor person and other person also. Poor, I'm talking about poor person. If poor person get the targets, after that they get the incentive now. If they doesn't, they don't fulfill their target, so how they can get the incentive?
Listen,
They-
if you have a person who is a poor,
Yes, sir.
who need job,
Yes.
you give me application.
Alright.
I recommend.
So how much people you give the incentive and anything else?
And
How many people
how
you
many-
write the written the application and give to
Listen, how many people do you have?
you? Sir,
Who is a poor,
I
not
just said, I'm
financially
talking
well.
about whole of the persons. We are talking about the poverty. We are not talking about the poor person. Poverty, if any person is financially strong, but they are sometimes they are just declining today's due to gaping inflation, declining position day by day.
Right.
All right, but they are financially strong at the back. But what about that person which is doing their job and their targets and anything else?
Suppose, if you say, Niazi, he need jobs. Okay, you give me application. I must be asked, he financially well?
Yes, sir.
Financially well, I never support.
Alright.
If he is need money,
Alright.
he is financially not strong.
Yes, sir.
I must be support this person.
But
let me
you
trust.
told us earlier that you go into the home one by one and you knock the door and all. And when
Dear Baji, your
so
opinion.
he just saying this thing, like this. I'm going to
That
the
was the target. The target was given. He was appointed to go and visit over there. If they are eligible, then you have to give it the job. After
before,
after
right? But I cleared this thing. Clear one thing. He said to us, when I have to go through that place and all. So, but one by one, financially strong in all, I give some amount in all. Just fix the amount, someone give anything else also like that. Okay? So, but how can they?
Listen.
If he has a target, yeah, someone give the target to him. So he told us
Was a
in
good one.
poverty.
He was just searching if they are able, we can give them or not. If they are eligible, if they have a financial problem, Otherwise, we will have.
Alright, there is someone else who is not showing if we are financially strong. We are not financially
Because
strong.
whenever you
Today
visit
we
the
are-
house, you have better judgment. Either they are able or not. If they are able, they
Someone,
will.
someone will be a self-reliant. So after that, what will you do?
Listen, party give me two vacancies. Police department.
Alright.
Then party give me a two application for the appointment letter with. You go and give the jobs.
Sir, job-
You are
job
ready.
is that-
Let me complete.
Alright.
Let me complete.
Okay, sir.
Party give me two jobs. When I visit one of my friend, he said, Niazi, he is very poor. I said, he is very poor. Okay. Go. On this situation, I never enter because he asking my friend, because my friend give the money. Somebody say, you give me money, I asking Niazi give you a job.
The job is the
Listen,
limited
let-
amount, na sir?
let me complete. When my friend advised me, I never accept my friend. Second day, I visit directly, I am doing this person, Malik Shamir Baloch. When I visit Shamir house, financially well, I never give the jobs. Then I find, I search where is poor, who person needs Shauda. When I visit, I am asking someone, knocking a door, his mother is coming. When I saw his mother, some person mother, I'm saying he's dressing, I'm saying she come better, sit there. When I sit on the tool is a broken. I feel she needs.
So what about
I give the
beggars?
permit letter.
What about beggars? They are also poor person. They are
must
also
be support.
suffering from the poverty.
But you found, you
But
search,
they also
where is poor
standing
person?
at the corner of your home and all at the signal, traffic signals. They are
This is
They
a-
are also begging.
No, this is the government policy. But I have a 3 to 4 jobs now. I must be looking my good way. How can I reply? I give no. I am searching for someone who is better.
Sir, but job is a limited amount, na? Or limited, yes, limited amount. So how can they survive in it? If person has a 3 or 4 person at home, his or her home, so how can they limited amount? How much salary you are offering that person? 25,000, 30,000?
Listen.
Yes, I'm listening to you.
Then person 2 years ago I give the job for the MCB plan.
Alright.
Nowadays this person have a salary 55,000.
55,000.
He working in the bank 55,000.
When he
He's telling me.
started his job, so what was the...
That time he's starting for the 20,000.
Now
That is
debate
the-
time is
Last
over.
question.
That is
No,
the-
Yes.
debate time
Last
is
question,
over. And last question is here. Can you sacrifice your life for poor people?
I 100% support poor person. I like very much poor person. Rich person I don't like.
Wow.
Because rich is always
Attitude.
proudly
Probably.
awkward. But I like poor person. Middle class people I like too much.
चलिए सेशन बहुत अच्छा रहा माशाल्लाह असद अहमद खान ऑफिशियल पेज की तरफ
Yes.
हम आपको दे रहे हैं लाइव
Yes.
What is the
मैसेज
standard of education in Pakistan? What do you think about why the people are sending their kids to the foreign for getting education? Is it good or not? Fair?
I need education must. If you focus your children, you give the teaching, he must be master. You focus your children.
What is the standard of education nowadays in
Good
Pakistan?
education is standard is good. Because
Why the people are sending their kids to the foreign countries to get the education?
money, if you have a money, you say must be my son study more good. You know Imran Khan study Oxford University. Listen, last year I am listening the interview ZTV. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the seats. Indian crowd asking Narendra Modi, listen, Prime Minister, you asking Pakistani education is a zero. Pakistani education is a zero. But You say Indian education is 100%. If you go for the Aqwam Mutahida, National Assembly, you must speak 10%, 10 minutes. Your Prime Minister in Pakistan, Imran Khan, he speak 1 hour.
Wow.
Pakistan education study is high, but he telling, Narendra Modi said, I am studying in the India, but Imran Khan study in the Oxford. Bilawal Bhutto study Oxford. If you financially well, you give the children good way, good school, good education. If you financially not well, local school, private school is better for you, but main thing money. Money is power.
But they have to come back.
You support your children. Who look after children good way must be supported.
After getting it, they have to must come back.
Listen, I'm a master University of Karachi. But I need my son study in the Oxford University. I support, na.
To serve your
My
country.
father support me in the University of Karachi. He said, go in University of Karachi. I'm saying, okay, I am completed. Master in University of Karachi. But my future, my vision, my son must be studying abroad. This is my vision.
To come back and serve their country, na? That
Yes.
thing should
He
be- that
must,
thing should
he
be
complete
there.
study, come back to Pakistan.
Most of the people are not thinking. They have to send their kids for settling them. Study over there and settle them. Don't come Pakistan. Most of the people think about
Yes,
it.
I agree.
But you are thinking about you send your kids for the education for the foreign and they have to come back for the
Absolutely, he support me.
That's a good
Look at this Bilawal Bhutto, look at this Imran Khan. They are studying Oxford University. They are role model for us. We must be follow this one. Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, if you study, go for abroad, go for China. Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said this one. We must listen one more thing. Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, life is finished, but learned procedure is never finished.
till then.
Wow,
Yes.
great, zabardast. Close.
اچھا جی ایسے محمد آفیشیل پیج
Close.
کے ناصر محمد خان نیازی صاحب
Close.
اینڈ میں جی نچوڑ یہ ہے کہ محمد خان نیازی صاحب بتا رہے ہیں جو بلش نے ایک سوال کو پکڑ لیا تھا اور چھوڑنے کے لیے وہ تیار نہیں تھی وہ یہاں عرض کر رہے ہیں کہ میں عبدالستار ایدی ٹھیک ہے نا ایدی صاحب دنیا سے چلے گئے میں ایدی تو نہیں بن سکتا بٹ بارش کا ایک قطرہ بن سکتا ہوں جہاں تک میں کر سکتا ہوں وہاں تک کروں گا اور تعلیم کے لیے یہی میسیج ہے پرندوں کو نہیں دی جاتی تعلیم والوں کی وہ خود ہی طے کرتے ہیں منزل آسمانوں کی اور رکھتے ہیں جو حوصلہ آسمانوں کو چھونے کا انہیں پرواہ نہیں ہوتی نیچے گر جانے کی پاکستان
زندہ باد.
اللہ